Today might be the last day for a couple of days that we see the 90s. But hey, take a look at this over the Papagos as the sun slowly starts to rise this morning. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that sky in the background. So right now, 70 degrees in Phoenix, calm out there right now. Humidity relatively low, 21%. Across the valley right now, everybody's still pretty cool this morning, and it's pretty nice outside as we're in the mid 60s to low 70s. Tempe already at 70, Glendale 61, Peoria at 65. Looking at clouds and radar across the state, nothing really to show you right now. Clear, calm, and we're going to stay that way statewide for the rest of the weekend. Nice and dry across the state right now. A cooler start in the high country as usual. 27 degrees in Flagstaff, so really chilly up there. Further south, 50 degrees in Payson, 41 in Prescott, 28 in Show Low. Pretty chilly there. To our south, though, 46 in Nogales, 60 in Gila Bend. We're sitting at 70 degrees in Phoenix right now. We're going to warm up, though, across the state. We're going to see several 90s, low 90s in Casa Grande, also out in Quartzsite. Lake Havasu is going to be at 88 degrees. In the high country, in the 70s is where you're going to want to escape to today. It's going to be gorgeous in Sedona and Payson and Prescott, rather. Flagstaff's still going to be pretty cool at 67 degrees. Across the valley, we're going to warm up into the low to mid 90s. And I know this sounds pretty warm, but really, when I give you some perspective of what we're looking at in our 7-day forecast, this is pretty mild. So 94 in Fountain Hills, 93 in Tempe, 94 in Glendale, 95 today in Levine. Our UV exposure hour by hour is very high, and it's going to be worse at around 1 o'clock this afternoon. So you want to slather on that sunscreen. It's only going to be a matter of minutes before you start burning. Some relief finally for allergy sufferers, though. We are still in the moderate category, but then over the next 2 days, we're finally dropping to the low category. So grasses, mulberry, mesquite are the allergens that you're dealing with. Here's how our 7-day forecast breaks down. So 96 degrees today. Then those triple digits come tomorrow. They'll stick around for Monday as we warm up to 103. Looking at the rest of your 7-day forecast, Tuesday, the winds start to pick up a little bit. Clouds move in. And then we're going to get really warm. 105 degrees expected for Wednesday, our hottest day of the week so far. Then we're going to slowly dip down. Maybe the 90s will return by week's end. But even look at those overnight lows, you'll notice, are still going to be fairly warm in the mid to upper 70s. So enjoy 96 today because a little bit of perspective as those triple digits are knocking on the work week's door.